Hello and welcome to Walkthrough with Nacho. And yes, today we have a virtual open house and a real open house. So, well, let's look at this wonderful home. So we are on 608th Street on a park called Rancho Bonita. That's one of the nicest parks in Chula Vista. And look around, very quiet. You can probably hear the breeze. And yeah, we just don't book the breeze for this video. It's always like this, so it's really nice. And the home we have today is space number 58. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and the home is very new. You probably, if you follow my videos, you will probably see that we sold it a bit more than 1 year ago. It's a 2020 model. Was first sold in 2021, and it's a 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. The manufacturer is a Skyline, and it's a 24 by 56, so it's a little bit more than the 1,300 square feet. So come on in, follow me. And the first thing to notice is that there's a lot of space on the side yard over here. There's also a backyard that we will see later on. But if you put a fence here or something, you will really have it a lot of privacy for everything. And this is the living room. The current owner has it more like for a daycare, as you can see. Has lots of kids, and yeah, has quite an open plan. And come over here. This is the dining area, and this is the kitchen. You can see you have stone countertops, and the appliances are negotiable. They are the same age of the home from 2020 as well, and it has a nice pantry as well as you can see like over here. And if you got any questions, remember you can put there your comments and so. Before you ask the price, is 295,000, 295,000, and you may say, well, that's a lot for a home. Well, it's 4 bedrooms and it's almost new, and so that's the price of the market we're at. It's in a park that the rent is 1,100. It's a family park and it has rent control, and we are in the heart of Chula Vista. So let's see the master. So another nice thing of this home is that the master bedroom and the master bathroom are on one side, and the rest of the rooms are on the other side. That's what's called a split plan, and it's good for privacy, especially if you have noisy kids. So this is the master. As you can see, we're quite spacious. And over here, have a nice walk-in closet. And this is a skylight, natural light. So the light is not on. This is what comes. And there are 3 spots in the house that they have these type of skylights. So this is the master, and we'll continue in a second. Yes, let's chat. I have people here. Pásale. Oh, perfect. Yeah.
Master ensuite. Again, the master bedroom.
Okay. Are we still live? Okay, perfect. Yeah, because this is a virtual open house and this is a real open house as well. So we have people in the home. So let's go and see the backyard, and then we will come back. Okay. Sorry, that's the sake of the life, but yeah. I don't need to tell you that you are not the only ones that are interested in this home. So there's a lot of space here. You can have your barbecue stuff in the backyard. And again, you can put some fences here. Like you talk to the manager, just tell you how high. But for example, these neighbors have quite high fences. Here, I always have. On this side is a shed. Very nice shed as well. It was built in the home in 2020. And this is the carport. You can fit easily 3 cars, maybe 4, or because on a truck. And but if you have an RV or other vehicles or a boat or something, as you can see over there, on the other side, there's additional parking for those vehicles that you can rent to the park. Okay, so let's go in again. Come with me. So this is the carport door, and it goes straight into a separate laundry room. It has a washer and dryer and the skylight as well. See, another one that saves some good energy. And let's do this. Let's stop for now. I'll connect with you in 5 minutes again with the rest of the home. All right, don't go anywhere. I'll see you in a bit. All right, so that was the laundry room, and yeah, this is the kitchen. I see very nice pantry. See, and this is the dining area, very spacious as well, and these windows give a lot of light. And I didn't say, but the windows, of course, are new, double pane windows, very good for insulation. And this is the part where the other rooms are and the other bathrooms. So come with me. The rooms are quite spacious. So yeah, they have the closet, and these closets have sliding doors in case you want to put a really big bedroom, so you don't have problems with opening the doors. And yeah, again, it's quite nice. And this is the room that is a bit smaller, but you can still fit like a twin bed or so, or if you have smaller kids, that's perfect for that. And all of them come with a nice closet. And this is the bathroom. It's full bathroom as well, with a bathtub and the shower. And this is bedroom number 4, again with its closet. So it's very nice. And like I tell you, this let's recap on the features of this home. So it's a 2020 Skyline manufactured home. It's 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's 24 by 56, so you have a bit more than 1,300 square feet. The price is $295,000. It's on 608th Street, space 58 in Chula Vista. And the rent of the park is $1,100 a month, and it has rent control by the City of Chula Vista. So that's all for today. Hope you liked the video, and see you in the next video with Nacho. Remember to subscribe, and if you like it, say you like it. Thank you.